Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and watching our channel. Hi, I'm out here in the log cabin room. We are in the process of getting these floor joists up, but first of all, I've got to remove these radiators. I can't remove any more of the floor until I get the radiators out here, so I am loosening these lines. I've got the boiler system shut down and cooled down, and I'm going to drain this radiator here. And we got to take both of these out. There's one there and there's one over here. So that is what I'm working on now. There we go. Water's clear too. Clean, that's good. Alright, one down. We'll let that drain and we'll come back. Okay, I'm down here in the basement now, and I need to take these off and cap them. So, return what we did first. That one took some finagling, but we got it. Okay. Lines are plugged. Now let's see what's next. Alright, I made a little bit of boo-boo before I opened those lines. I forgot to turn the water off. So we got a little extra water run out, but I caught it and got it shut off and got the manifold plugged over here. You saw that. So I was just tightening up any links. So I got those 4 plugs on there. So we're just going to kind of let everything settle. See where the pressure goes. I want it about 12 psi, and I'm going to go upstairs and bleed some of the radiators up there. But you see our gauge looks good, water's cool, pressure's about 12. That's where you want it. So water's off, and we're going to go bleed and see if we got any air up there. So hang tight. Okay, I have to go around and bleed all of these radiators. Make sure we don't have any water in them, or air in them. That's closed. Okay, next.
She's like, this is a different type of movement.
Okay.
Hey, recorder, so the whole road can see. She's still in bed.
Yeah. Where's Bruno?
Stop.
Bruno! I see you, Bruno.
Stop.
Can you turn the light on?
You better delete that.
While you're talking, we can hear you. Yapping. Yappity yep 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 yep. Okay, we got all the radiators bled, and my gauge looks really good. There wasn't really any air in the lines, so that's good. Water's still off, and we are ready to fire this thing back up, I believe. We're going to leave the water off and let it go through a heat cycle. I'm going to turn the emergency power on. Turn the power on down here. And let's see what happens here. Just turned on. Gauges look steady so far. We'll let it go through a heat cycle here. The water is still off. Okay, I have got to remove these radiators now so we can get the floor joist out. So boiler's back on and running, and we'll see what we can do about getting these radiators out of here now. I'll probably be better off just cutting these. Probably. Yeah, let me get my sawzall here. Okay, I'm just going to cut these lines off of here because we're going to be putting new lines in anyway. So. All right, one down. One to go. Just the two. Now I should be able to remove these guys. Oh, connected to here. Oh, they are heavy.
I know they're heavy. Probably 150 pounds.
No kidding. Oh, that's interesting. Wasn't expecting that.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That sucker's heavy.
Right?
Holy
You
cow.
got something to grab or?
I don't know. Let's see here. Come on. Oh, gosh.
Because all that dirt's gonna go upstairs.
I think I'm secure.
Well, you know, probably didn't see much there, but we got one of the posts out of here.
Yeah, they're as heavy as the radiators.
Yeah. Those dang radiators are heavy now. Those are no joke.
And you're gone.
Yeah. They're not the heaviest, they're awkward.
Yeah,
It was awkward.
heavy, but
Yeah.
this one's going to be heavy because
How did I do? What are you doing?
I would never know.
You should have let me deal with this.
That's what I was hollering for. You didn't answer?
You didn't holler. I didn't hear you.
A little bit at a time, I guess, until we get it over there. I wonder if we roll it over or if it'll slide across.
Yeah.
I'm just gotta keep my feet away because I ain't got my steel toe going.
Yeah. Okay, girl, come on. What you got?
You better wait.
Oh, we can take one out a day. Are you okay with that? I think that is cedar. Okay. Hey! I'm coming. It's called progress. Yeah. Oh, God, that's not easier. That's better. Much better.
You good?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey! See some salt marks or something.
Right.
Cause you know they did that by hand.
Yeah.
Ever had that? Two-handled saw?
Hell, they got it so straight. I don't know.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Doesn't it?
Those are being used.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying. I'm trying to stay away from it. Ooh. Oh. Right out the door or in the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can get your footing. You ready?
Let's just go outside.
Go ahead, set it.
Yep, you're fine. I got it. You want to come this way a little bit, and then you can...
No, I'll get it up. I can go. Hey, hey. Well, I guess we got a rubber bathroom up here.
So what do you think they did? Did they mix concrete to make that wall? I guess
It's
so.
not concrete, but it's
What is that?
it's like a lime.
What's that hole there?
Yeah, we couldn't
What I'm
tell.
telling you about.
I think they might have had that as like a vent at one point
Yeah,
to let air in.
Air coming in.
yeah. That's wild. So this is the original log cabin foundation. That end looks higher.
It is. That's why I was telling you. That ledge is higher
Interesting.
because the logs were thicker
Yeah.
and then thinner. Like, look at that log. It's only about that thick one.
Yeah. What do you think, Ian?
It's a mess. It's driving me insane. Can't stand it.
What would your mom say to this? Clean your house!
She already thinks you're crazy.
Crazy for you. I ain't doing this alone, that's for dang sure.
Girl, I'm helping you.
Oh yeah, there's wrong. Alright, we got all the floor joists out. We ended up having to cut majority of them. We got 2 of them out of there without cutting. But here they are. I'm gonna try to list them on Marketplace. Pretty cool, you can see the axe cuts there. But yeah, I think they're 16 feet. We had cut most of them in half to get them out. They're pretty heavy. There is some rot on the ends, which is kind of to be expected. They've been in there for 180 something years. There's some deer up the hill there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Anyway, I'm going to get these moved. I'm going to get the tractor out here and get these moved. Okay, I got them moved out here. So we're going to try and sell them on Marketplace, see if they'll sell. I don't know. They're pretty rough shape, but somebody might want them. If not, I guess we'll do something with them. But here they are, where I'm going to end this video. It is cold out here. Sun's shining, but man, is it cold. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this content. And this is going to be a pretty cool project. We're working on the log cabin of the house and taking that floor up and get all those lines cleaned up and have a good solid floor in there and secure everything. So thanks for coming and watching the channel. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you in the next video. Y'all take care.